Alright, Kristen.
Where's that?
She's coming up to the pole. Now you can cut loose because we got a long way to go.
I do? So I can go for a while?
Yeah, bang it until Dad says stop.
Stop.
I can't stand it though. Listen, you ready?
Am I slower than you guys?
No, you move at a pretty good speed.
The weight we are. But you got to look.
Go till you say stop again.
Well, go ahead. I can't stand it. I can't stand it.
You need to wear gloves when you do this.
Yeah. Position.
Yeah, do it from this side.
Just a few times.
Yeah, go ahead.
He'll tell you when to stop.
Okay.
The full body hammer, baby.